How are you guys?
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Hi.
Who am I with?
Matapelo.
And you?
Puseletso.
And you?
Itumeleng.
Okay, Itumela, you're with Tony, ne?
Oh my God! Wow!
So, guys, I want to ask you a few questions, right?
Okay.
It's kind of simple. It's an Q&A. Surely it's basically a grade 5 quiz, right?
Okay.
I hope you still remember the grade 5 things, ne?
I hope so.
Maybe.
Okay. Let's get on it, ne?
Okay.
The first question is from you, ne?
Alright.
What is a verb?
A verb.
Yes.
A verb is a doing word.
Oh my God! Wow!
I think.
You think? Okay. What is a noun?
Noun is a name. Names of names.
Okay. Okay. What is adjective?
Oh my God! Yeah, adjective. Hi, now I forgot.
Okay. When last did you get embarrassed?
Now.
Can you spell embarrassment?
Viewers, let's watch this video.
EM.
EMB.
EMBA double RA MENT.
Okay. How many vowels do we have on English language?
We have 26 vowels.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
26 vowels.
No, not vowels. We have 5. I, A, U, O.
Okay, thank you guys. Cheers, ne?
Sure.